Hey everyone, so today I'm unboxing the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation, so let's dive in. First up, we have Apple's sleek packaging. Right on the top, we have designed by Apple in California card. This includes all the important information on how to set up your AirPods, warranty detail, and some quick tips on getting started. And guys, here we have the star of the show, the AirPod Pro 2nd generation in their compact charging case. The case has the same iconic look but is packed with upgrade technology including better noise cancellation and sound quality. Now let's check what's underneath. We got the charging cable USB-C to Lightning, of course. And of course you also got the essential extra ear tip for the perfect fit. So now let's open up the case to see the AirPod themselves, perfectly fitted and ready to pair with my device. These AirPods are designed to sit comfortably in your ear while delivering top-notch sound quality. It also features noise cancellation, longer battery life and even better sound quality. And guys, I have tested it as well. These AirPods take noise cancellation to the next level. They even cut out the subtle sound of wind from a fan and reduce the noise of passing vehicle. It creates a peaceful environment perfect for meditation or when you just need to focus. This wording emphasizes the effectiveness of the noise cancellation feature and how it enhances your listening experience, especially in quiet activities like meditation. So guys, now let's see the length of this cable. This cable is just the right length for the convenient charging whether at your desk or on the go. And finally, let's get this charged up and ready to go. Don't forget to like, share and follow.